Hey guys! Hey y'all! Hey everybody! Okay, we're back with another makeup tutorial today, and y'all can guess what I'm going to start with. I know you know what I'm going to start with. It's my primer. So we're going to put that all over the face. Oh, by the way, I just put on a face mask, so if my skin seems a little bit glowy, that's why. Okay, now we're going to take our Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade Fair Porcelain, and we're going to put that all over the face. I just got it on my hair. Oh well. Okay. Fix those back. Hairs literally everywhere. Okay, now we're going to take our concealer and conceal this face up. If I can find my concealer. Hello. Hello, my concealer. There it is. Okay, so we're going to take the cap off and twist it away. Just got in my mouth. Okay, now we're just going to blend this in. By the way, if I'm talking funny, it's because I chipped a tooth. Not even front teeth. See, it's one of my back teeth, where I had a filling put in. So it's not actually a tooth, I guess. It's more of a filling. Okay, now it's time to set the face, or set the under eyes, I guess. We've got our Master Fix Maybelline. Is it my focus? There we go. Can't open it with my greasy hands. Okay. Let's see. I'm just gonna tap into this. Tap some of that off and okay. Now it's time for some blush. I'm going to take my e.l.f. blush right here, and we're going to take the lighter shade right here and blend that on the cheeks. Okay, now we're going to take this browner shade right here, and we're going to bronze the cheeks with the same brush because I don't have a bronzing brush, so sorry about that. By the way, I'm doing this without a mirror again, so bless my heart, I'm trying my best. Okay, now it's time for our Lumiglotion, if I can find it in this bag of mess. Here it is. Okay. So we're going to put a little bit on the end of the Beauty Blender, and we're going to blend that into the cheeks. Okay, a little bit on the nose, and we shall be done with that. Okay, make sure it's all blended. Focus. Okay, now we're going to take this brush and we're going to go in with our BH highlighter palette, and we're going to go into the shade think we're gonna do Electra, which is this like yellowish one right here. This one's not as shiny as the other ones, but yeah, it'll do. It'll do. Okay, now we're going to take the Bella B35D palette, and I think we're going to do this yellow shade right here in the crease. Okay, now we've got the yellow in there, and we're going to go in with some white in the crease a little bit to lighten up the yellow. I'll just knock all that off. Okay. Okay, now we're going to spray this brush with some setting spray. And then we're going to tap into the white again and put it all over the bottom of the lid. Okay. Now we're going to try and decide what else I want to do. I think we're going to take the crease brush and we're going to lightly put some of this peachy color on it right here in the corner of the eye. Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of the foil eyes, and we're going to dip into the yellow, and we're going to smear the yellow right here, and we're going to smear that on the bottom of the lid. Okay. Now we're going to put on some mascara and some lipstick and we'll be done. Okay, now we're going to do a light lip gloss and we'll be done. We're going to be using this one, and does it have a shade? Buttercream. It's by BH. That's it for today, guys. Hope y'all had a great time watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and excuse me again, I'll be uploading every day for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Okay guys, see y'all.